Hello guys, this is Vinit. I'm back again. Today is the 1st of August 2024 and what a July we've had. We made overall on all of our accounts around 11-12% for the month, which is exceptionally good. So that's it. I'll cover that in a different video, but this particular one I'm making and I want to talk about Swiss franc and Swiss franc related pairs. See, right now there is a lot of uncertainty in the market, and we are right dead center in the middle of summer vacations in Europe and in North America, especially Canada and the US. And there's not a whole lot of liquidity. There's not a whole lot of traders in the marketplace right now, especially in Forex. And there's a lot of activity and traders in the stock markets, but the Forex markets are right at dead as long as the liquidity and the number of traders and number of trades taking place, especially outside the hours, the banking hours. So what's that's doing? It is exasperating the moves, especially when it comes to CHF. See, there's a saying within forex trading industry that hey, when in doubt, buy USD and sit on the sidelines. Alongside, buy CHF or Swiss franc and sit on the sidelines. If you don't know if you want to park your money, that's the way to go. So what people are doing is they're parking their money. They don't know what to do. They're parking their money, or they have parked their money in Swiss franc for the summertime, and there's a lot of doldrums. There's a lot of warmongering going on. Ukraine and Russia situation, the whole Israel situation is getting escalated now. The Lebanon is getting attacked directly by Israel, and Israel now killing the head of Hamas. That too in Iran, in Tehran. So all these things are escalating at a very rapid pace, and there's not a whole lot of traders in the marketplace to take advantage of it. And what people are doing is they're just parking their money, just going to safe havens like US dollar, safe havens like Swiss franc, gold, and they're just parking their money there because there's again a lot of uncertainty. So now that said, look at this chart, guys. All right, this is Euro Swiss franc, EUR CHF. I'm looking at a 4-hour chart. All right, guys, and look at the RSI. This is RSI 21, not 14, 21. So it's going back 21 periods, and look at it. It's sitting at 17. Guys, the last time, this is 18. I saw it this low was never. Never ever it has gone down this low to 17. That says a lot. And that also presents you an opportunity which I called puke trade opportunity. Imagine somebody who is in EURCHF buy and they're getting margin calls. What are they going to do? They're either going to add funds to their accounts or their accounts are being liquidated. What's this telling me is there are shitloads of accounts that are getting liquidated. And what you want to do is you want to be on the other side. I'm not saying put 8, 10, 20% of your capital. No, absolutely not. At a very, very small. Like these are the trades that'll give you 100, 200, 300, 400 pips in a very, very short amount of time, because you know it's at 17. The sentiment is not just extreme, other side of extreme, right? They've never ever seen that on the 4-hour chart. Let's look at a daily chart, see how it looks like. Hang on 1 second. Daily chart is still over 30. Okay, fine. I'll give it that much. And maybe you want to wait till daily chart is under 30. I don't know. But if looking at 4-hour chart, guys, I have never seen sentiment so negative. So negative. And this is like absolute crazy. This is absolute craziness. And I think there is a trade here. If you look at even the long term a little bit more earlier in the year, this is like a very key level. Let me draw a line here. I'd like to draw a horizontal line here. So there's a lot of support in this area. There's a lot of activity that has happened over the months, and there's a lot of support. There's a lot of pending orders that are sitting in this area. It may breach more of this for a short time, but looking at this RSI, guys, this is like absolute extreme. And these are like puke trades where I like to dabble in with a very, very small order size. Like, I don't want to risk more than 50, $100 on this. But the upside is 4, 5, 600, even 1,000. So it's worth taking a chance, is what I'm saying. It's because your downside from here on is so, guys, so limited. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing. I don't play with Bollinger Bands. Let me see what Bollinger Bands are saying. If this is outside of the Bollinger Bands at this point. Bollinger Bands. Oh, guys, this is absolute crazy. The price is so outside of Bollinger Bands. Let me just zoom in. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's outside of the lower band, and it's going to pull it back. I don't know when, but at some point it's going to pull back, do a pullback. Again, risk reward ratio on this particular trade is absolutely amazing. You may want to hold it for a day, 2-3 days. I don't know, but we are going in. We are going in, and we are placing a very small order. Again, the key is order size. This is not your regular strategy. This is not that, hey, you're applying certain amount of rules. This is strictly a rebound play, because market is right now puking, and is puking like anything. And the rebound in these kind of trades usually is quick, swift, and big. And we want to catch that. And if we catch it, fine. If not, I don't want to risk, as I said, not even 1%. I don't want to risk more than 1/10 of 1% on this trade. This is like one of those opportunities where it's presenting it to yourself, and then how can you not take it? Because go back and see, every time the price falls out of Bollinger Band, boom. Falls out of Bollinger Band, boom, back up. Falls out of Bollinger Band, boom, back up. So again, goes out, comes back in. Okay, falls out, boom, back up. Falls out, boom, back up. Now look at this extreme. That's an extreme fall. And the back up is also going to be swift, and it's going to be extreme. If not, I don't want to use the word extreme, but it's going to be dramatic. I love this. I love this trade here, and we are going in. I just wanted to show you guys, not everything has to be perfect aligned to your strategy. This is not a strategy trade. This is just a one-off trade, a very low risk, high probability trade, which may or may not pay out. But risk to reward ratio here is extremely favorable to go long, because this is absolute craziness. Since we were talking, it's dropped another freaking 10 pips. We're already in, and we are in. We may be adding to our positions, but again, these are going to be very small position. Like for example, if I have a $10,000 account, I'm not going to risk more than 10, 20, 30, 40 bucks max. If I have a $50,000 account, I'm not going to risk more than 100, 150, which is absolutely nothing, like 1/10 of 1%, or if that. So again, but the reward on the other side is really big. So that's why I'm saying this is not a strategy trade. This is just what I call a puke trade opportunity, which you guys may want to look into, because we are going in. And then anyways, just that's it for now. I'll be coming up with more updates as to how we did last month in another bit more detailed video, and I'll be talking to you then. If you have any questions, any concerns, anything else you would like me to cover, I would be more than happy to do that for you guys. Just leave me a comment on the on Discord or market analysis channel. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.